Welcome to AAA. This is the 100-watt SMD floodlight. This light is designed to be bolted on top of a wheelhouse roof or a gantry, shining down onto the deck. The big advantage with this light, firstly it comes with a 316 stainless steel bracket. Secondly is the large angle you can adjust it from. It will literally go forward until it hits what it's mounted to, and obviously the same backwards, off the top of a wheelhouse roof, I'm guessing probably about there, but obviously you can bring it right down to suit the angle of light you want. It comes with a length of cable. This light is only available in mains voltage only. That includes anything from 85 volts up to 265 volts AC, so it covers 110, 220, 230, 240 volt AC. The height of the light is 13 3/4 inches and 35 centimeters. The width is 11 3/4 inches, 30 centimeters. The widest point where the bolts are is 12 3/4 of an inch and 33 centimeters, and the total height from the bracket is 16 inches 41 centimeters. Okay, thanks for watching.